Let me show you how to customize a frontal wig. Hi, my name is Rosemary. I'm a hairstylist and a content creator based in Abuja. The first thing you'll be needing is your holding spray, your developer. We have different volumes of developer, but for this video, I'll be using 20 for it to bleach a little slower. The higher the developer, the faster it bleaches. So you'll be needing your mixing bowl, your spoon or your brush, your bleaching powder, your purple shampoo, and your hand glove. You do not want to skip this step because the bleach is very powerful. So the first thing you'll be doing is use your holding spray to like spray the frontal so that you can like comb back the hair, so the hair itself doesn't get bleached when you're doing this whole customization. So up next, I'm going to be adding just a little bit of the powder and the developer together. So I'm going to be adding the developer in bits. Okay, don't pour too much. We do not want a runny consistency. We want something in form of a paste, like so it doesn't pass through the net while we are bleaching. Okay, you need something hard, like a paste, in the form of a paste basically. So I'm going to turn my wig inside out and put it on a dummy. This process is optional. You can definitely bleach your wig directly. You can just put it on your table or on the surface and bleach it directly, but I like to use this process. It's way easier. So I'm going to like tuck in the excess hair that came out, so I do not want those parts to bleach, because anywhere this bleach touches is going to turn to gold automatically. So I'm going to use my tail comb to like push it under, and then I'm going to gently start applying the mixture on the lace part. Okay, gently, do not press, do it very lightly, okay, so it doesn't pass through. And then when I'm done, I'm going to set my alarm for 10 minutes. It was even much because the hair bleach way faster than 10 minutes. It depends on the type of hair again and the volume of your developer. So while that is going on, you will have to be checking. So I removed it to check to see if the hair has processed, and it already has even started over processing. Once you see this yellow thing, you're already over processing the hair, so quickly go and rinse it out. Okay, because if you don't rinse it out, it's going to keep on bleaching, and we do not want that. We just want to bleach the knot. So you're going to rinse it out with normal water, room temperature water. Some people use warm water. I don't know about that, but I use my normal water. So this is what the hair is looking like. It looked over bleached, but don't worry, we're going to correct that. That is the work of the purple shampoo. So purple shampoo is going to like reduce the brassiness, reduce this yellowy thing. Okay, so I'm going to rub the purple shampoo on it. You can use blue shampoo as well, and they said that is even better, but this is what I've been using over the years and it's worked for me great. Okay, and then they'll have different brands of purple shampoo. Any brand you see, it's fine, so long as it's purple or blue shampoo, you can use it. So I'm just going to apply it on the net and also on the hair, and in short, any part the bleach touched, I'm going to just apply the purple shampoo and leave it there for 10 to 15 minutes to like, you know, do its thing. So after 10 minutes, I'm going to just rinse out the purple shampoo. You can go ahead and condition your hair and do all of that to, you know, like make the hair soft. So after I'm done doing that, you can see that the yellowness, the brassiness of the hair has reduced. You can see that it's no longer overly bleached or has that yellow vibe. I don't know what to call it, but you understand what I'm saying. It has reduced. So after that, I'm going to immediately transfer it on a canvas head and start to pluck immediately. But this was the next day. Child, I was tired. So plucking the hair, we're going to be using the tweezer. This is also called a tweezer, but this is a bit different from the one you use to apply your lashes. We have different colors, different types, but this is the type that is the best. So I'm going to just section the hair a bit more like you're parting the hair, and then I'm going to start plucking from inside. So when you're plucking, we have like the flat part and then the tip of the tweezer. At the back, I use like the flat part, and then in front I use the tip. The tip just reduces little of the hair. Okay, it picks a little bit of the hair, but if you use the flat part, it's going to bring out chunks of hair, and we do not really want that. I use that only at the back, and then in front I use the tip. So you're going to like sort of pinch the tweezer together on the hair and then pull. That is what plucking is. I'm doing it very slow now so you guys can see. Don't think you're not plucking hair, but you're plucking. You can see that what I just talked about, I've already started plucking. So you're going to pinch the hair together on the hair and pull. Okay, it's just like you're plucking. You know when you have hair growth on your hair, on your face, or on a part of your body you do not want, you just pinch it together and then you pull. It's the same thing, but this you're going to be gentle, and then you're going to be moving. Don't stay on one spot. If you stay on one spot, you're going to have a bowed frontal, so you're going to keep on moving. As you can see, you see me moving from top to like the side, and then from the side to the top. So I keep moving my hand. Don't stay in one position. Okay, just be gentle. Since you're a beginner, you do not need speed. You just need to like take your time and do your plucking. I pluck a whole lot faster than this, but for the sake of this video, I'm making it very slow. Okay, so I'm just going to continue plucking and plucking and plucking. I do not like plucking, to be honest, but now I'm getting the hang of it. I'm also used to it. And then it depends on the type of hair. Some hairs are very hard. It's really hard to pull, but this particular hair was really soft. That is why it even bleached really fast. Some hair you have to even put the bleaching powder for 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, I've seen someone that even puts bleaching powder overnight and it did not over bleach the hair. So it depends on your knot, it depends on the type of hair. This is a factory wig, so most factory wigs tend to be softer. Okay, and this client came from TikTok here, you guys. I see all of you that are sending me your hairs on here. Thank you so much for your patronage. Anyways, so as I'm plucking, I'm going to be using the back of my hand to smoothen it, just like I'm doing like this, so I'll see where it needs to be plucked. Plucking just means you're thinning out your hairline, like in front of your hair. No natural hairline is this full, although some people's own are full, but like if you want that seamless installation, that clinger installation, you need to pluck your hair a bit, like reduce the fullness of the frontal. Okay, so like make it look a bit natural. That's the reason why we pluck hairs. Some clients do not want us plucking their hair, so I do not pluck everybody's hair. Okay, some clients will tell you, please leave my front hair like that, and that is fine. It depends on the person, depends on yeah, individual differences. So as I'm plucking, I'm going to be using my hot comb to like further flatten the wig, so I see what I'm doing. Okay, it will make you see like where you've plucked well and where it needs a little bit of touch. So that is what I'm doing. I'm just going to use my wax stick and my hot comb. I forgot to show you guys that in the beginning, but it is what it is. I also forgot to mention, you can pluck your hair dry. I do that sometimes, but if you want it to remove faster, and also for a beginner, since you're not used to plucking, I'd suggest you just use a spray bottle and spray like where you want to pluck. Okay, this hair was wet while I was plucking it, but as it got dry, I didn't even bother to wet it because I'm already used to plucking. So I suggest you get a spray bottle and spray the parts you're going to pluck. It will remove the hair faster for you and to make it softer. So I'm going to keep on sectioning the hair. Like I'm going to, you've seen what I'm doing basically. I'm going to keep on like taking the hair backward and then plucking. I'm going to also cut again and pluck. You don't need it too deep. You just need, I don't know how many inch, but you're just going to eyeball it. I don't know how to explain that part, but yes, when I pluck a bit, I'm going to also see cut again and then pluck. Remember, if you're in front, use the tip of the tweezer to pluck. That way you are going to pluck just a little and tiny bits of hair. I'm just going to continue this process until I'm done, and then I'll show you guys what this side looks like with the other side that I've not plucked. Okay, if after this very detailed tutorial that I'm posting and you're still not able to pluck, please just send me a DM. Let me take you on a one-on-one class, because this is as detailed as a video can get. Okay, anyways, can you see the difference between this side and the other side that we've not plucked? That's the power of plucking. Like when you pluck your hair, you see the way it's seamless, you see the way it's neat and beautiful. You just need to pluck your hair a bit at least, because if you install it like this, it's not going to give that hairline, it's not going to give you that HD frontal look. Okay, this is not a HD frontal, this is just a regular list, but the knot was bleached and it made it look natural. That's the point of bleaching. But most times I do not bleach all of my hairs, I'm not gonna lie. If you come for installation immediately, I'm not going to bleed here. I'm just going to pluck and then I'm going to use my listing. So this is the amount of hair I took. It's not much. Some hairs are a lot fuller. But yeah, my client wanted a side pattern, so I did a side pattern for her. And then I went ahead and styled the whole hair to like activate the curls. And this is what the hair came out looking like. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know in the comments what other videos you want me to post. Okay, I'm running out of ideas. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.